Hey everybody, how's it going? My name is Walid and I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to teach you how can we point our domain to AWS server using the Route 53 as well as sign up an A and CNAME record for your domain that will point to a simple light sail instance of WordPress website in AWS. So let's go ahead and to your AWS console. So the first thing we are going to do is to uh, go to Route 53. Here you can see, and then click on Create Hosted Zone. And inside here, we are going to create our hosted zone, and this hosted zone is going to be the domain name that you want to point to AWS. And in this case, I have one called waleedarshad.com, and our type is going to be public. You can have a private hosted zone also, but it's totally depend on you. I will choose public hosted zone and create hosted zone. As you can see, here is our name server records. Now these records are what you are going to use to take where you register your domain. So in my case, I have registered my domain at namesilo.com, but you could have registered it at GoDaddy or any other provider. So what we are going to do is we are going to let me log in. So what we will update our name server with the AWS name server, and here you can see that I am using different name servers, and I am going to put my AWS name server here so that it can point to AWS. Copy one by one. And click on submit. We have updated our name server, and this may take up to 1 to 48 hours to propagate, so make sure you plan your domain switch accordingly. So now let's set up a simple Lightsail instance. Go back to AWS console and click on service and click on Lightsail. And create an instance. I'm going to make a WordPress website, so I will choose WordPress, and from here I will choose these instance packages, so I will choose this package and give my instance a name, a unique name, and we'll click on create instance. Sorry, I will choose the region Mumbai and choose the $160 instance. You can choose whatever it's suitable to you, but here I have choose $160. So it will take 1 to 2 minutes to create an instance. So let's wait. So in meanwhile, please do like my video and please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos like this. So now as you can see, our instance is created. Now let's check, is it working or not. We can access our instance using this IP. And so that our server is online and we can access our instance using the public IP. So next what we are going to do is we are going to set up some records inside of our Route 53 to point to that server, this IP. And so we will go back to Route 53 and go to our hosted zone that we have created. And create a new record set. And the first record we are going to use an A record, and we are going to set www.waleedarshad.com to our IP address, which is this one, and click on click. As you can see, our record is created successfully, and we will create a new record also without using the www. So this way, anyone who can access our domain with the www or not, they will go to the same target, which will be waleedarshad.com. Okay, so as I told you that name servers take some time to update, so we have to wait. I will pause the video here and resume the video when the name server pointed to our AWS instance. So let me pause the video. So let's check our domain, waleedarshad.com, and you can see our domain is pointing perfectly to our AWS Lightsail instance. So if you have any questions, comments, or any concerns, please leave them in the comment section below, and please remember to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.